Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to chat in other languages on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to chat in different languages, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, there's some different ways. The first way is that you have to install a third-party app, or you can use Google Translator, which is built-in app on your phone. You can find it on your apps gallery. You must have to look for Google Translate in your phone. If you can't find it, you can install it from your Play Store app. Just go for search and here just search for Translate or you will get Google Translate app. You must have to install that app. After installation, you just have to open the app and here you can easily translate your message, or if you want to use tab to translate, for example I'm using WhatsApp and here I want to send the message, so let's see how we can do that. Here you have different ways. First way is that you just have to enter your WhatsApp message here, and then here's the language in which you have entered, and here's the second language in which you want to translate. As I have here chosen Spanish, so my message has been translated into Spanish. You must have to copy that message, and after that just open the WhatsApp and here just paste the message and hit the send option. In this way you can translate in different language, or here you have the second way. You must have to tap on these three dots and here just open the settings. From here just tap on this profile icon, then go for settings option and you will get tab to translate. You must have to tap on it and here you must have to enable that setting. Just enable that, then allow some settings, and here you have to select show floating icon. Once you have enabled, you can get a little icon on your screen. So after enabling that settings, just go back and here's the icon. You must have to open your WhatsApp and here just simply tap on this, and if you want to have any message here or you want to get a translation, just copy that message and then tap on this icon, and here you must have to paste your message which you have. Just paste that and tap on the next and it will automatically translate. Now if you want to give a reply, just here you must have to write your reply which you want to. As I have written this, just like that, and here is the run option. You must have to select this second language and your message will be translated. So here was the first way. The second way is that you must have to change the language of your keyboard. Just open your keyboard and here you'll get this globe icon. If you can't get it, you must have to add different languages to your keyboard. Just open settings and here just select languages or keyboard option. You must have to look for his language option, tap on it, then select add keyboard, and here you have to add any other language. As for example, I'm going to add Spanish here. Just write Spanish, search for Spanish language, and then select the language which you want to add. Just tap on done option. You can see the language has been added. Now you must have to open your WhatsApp, then tap on this globe icon, and your language will be changed. So now you can tap your message in different languages. So that's how you can easily chat in other languages on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.